Now that we're in a safe zone and after a hike, we need to get something real good in our bellies. Welcome to Amin Cooking on the Road show. We'll take a look at our ingredients. Today we have boner and tomato sauce, tuna, nuts, tuna, breads, thought I had more. Of course, from yesterday's trip to IKEA, ketchup, a pencil, tea, pepper, salt, ketchup. And the most important tool of a cook is a knife. And since I'm flying with hand luggage only, I don't have a knife, but I have a plastic fork. Oh, extra bonus, dried fruits from Mama. Is it good? Too much? Not enough? And we're gonna take this one. So we're using this French technique, le vide of the bread. It takes years of practice. 4 days in a row, at least 2 cans of tuna a day. First we have to taste our ingredients. Amazing. So we spread it like butter. I forgot to steal butter yesterday. Make sure you get tiny pieces of the grass into the sandwich. Extra ingredients. Does that look delicious? Salt. Just enough. Pepper. More than enough. Make sure you keep Norway clean. Tomato ketchup. Spread it like butter. And there we have it. The famous McDouble McTuna ketchup thing. We'll give it a test. Jesus, why am I doing this? Needs more ketchup. A lot more ketchup. Delicious. Amazing. Oh, thank you. I'll have the can of beans. Thank you. Thank you. Delightful.